You may know that after 2014 model year, Honda CR-V started using CVT transmissions. Well, I wouldn't say the CVT transmissions are very bad. So Honda CVTs are not so bad. They actually go for about 200,000 miles if you change fluids and filters. They are not so bad for fuel mileage. They are actually pretty good. But a lot of people just don't like CVTs because they have associations with Nissan Jetco CVTs with very expensive repairs. And it's actually so, repairing a CVT is pretty expensive. So if you don't want, if you want to buy a Honda CR-V used and you don't want the CVT, you should look at the years 2012, 2014 for the fourth generation. These model years had the 5-speed automatic transmission. It was the only option of the transmission for the 2012, 2014 pre-facelift models. After facelift in 2014, Honda started using CVTs for these cars in the USA and also in the entire world, but some European models still had automatic transmissions for diesel cars that still weren't so reliable, as reliable as the 5-speed automatic transmission that was used before 2014.